Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Continuing with the Valentine's Day theme, this week I will share a hand massage to balance hormones. You can do this yourself, or if you have a partner, you can do this to your partner too. The first one is in the middle of the palm where the middle finger touches when you make a fist. This point is called pericardium 8. Stimulate this point with the thumb or index finger joint. When you use your thumb, do not circle your thumb unless your thumb is very strong. Put the other fingers on the back of the hand and press your thumb as you wrap the receiving palm around the thumb to save your thumb. Same thing if you use your index finger joint. This point is good for calming down stress and anxiety. It also helps you to sleep better. Pretend the towel is your partner's hand. If you do this to your partner, overlap your thumbs and press as you slightly bring your partner's hand towards you with other fingers. If you use your index finger joint, put the other hand over your partner's back of the hand and sandwich your partner's hand as you press. Hold it for 1 minute as you breathe deeply or for 5 seconds at a time. Next, stimulate the 4 fingertips, which are the reflexes for head. Pinch the fingertip with your thumb and index finger and stimulate each fingertip. I'm doing 5 times on each fingertip, but you can do 10 times or 20 times if you're willing. When you're massaging the pinky, come down a little and stimulate the kidney point too. It's located in the middle of the dip joint, which is a finger joint closest to the fingertip. This point balances the hormones as well as reducing stress and revitalizes your body. Then massage the thumb, which is a reflex for pituitary gland in the brain. This is where various hormones are produced. You can also press the thumb against the index finger joint to stimulate. Repeat on the other hand. Besides stimulating these areas to balance hormones, just by giving the loving touch in the form of hand massage, your bodies will produce oxytocin, also known as love hormone, bonding hormone, or cuddling hormone, to further foster the bonding between you and your partner. Also, I have a bunch of other acupressure and hand massage videos on my channel to help with certain health issues. If you or your partner have certain general conditions that you want to improve, you can learn and press those points on each other. But it is not a replacement for your medical treatments, so please check with your medical doctor first if it's okay to do it. Whenever you massage your partner, think of at least one thing you love or appreciate about your partner, because your thoughts and feelings can transfer through touch. And if you cannot think of anything you love or appreciate about your partner, you need a different kind of therapy, not massage therapy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Happy Valentine's Day!